In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Then use this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable it, and select pair. Following that, wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, accept it manually on the second device. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to manage this connection, use gear icon available next to one of your paired devices. Check out all of those options here and manage them. If you want to reconnect, hit connect, especially helpful if you, for example, want to connect to your headphones. And to forget this device, select unpair on the left. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!